friends, welcome to my day in the life today. I'm so excited you're joining me. I want to talk about 5 habits that I have been working on this season as you join me for my winter day in the life. And just so you know, before we all get started, I'm a homeschool mom of 3, a 5th grader, 3rd grader, and a 1st grader. The first habit is drinking more water. I just tried working on doing 75 hard with a few friends. I didn't finish, but I did really enjoy working on those habits. And one of the main ones was drinking a gallon of water a day. So I filled up my water first thing in the morning and we get started drinking that water and hydrating. And the next habit that I start my day with is prayer. And I know I often try to be a person who prays throughout the day. I talk to the Lord throughout the day, but I know that focused prayer time is really, really important. And it's good to get it done first thing in the morning. And to be honest, I don't always get it done first thing in the morning, but this day I was able to, and I really enjoyed my time of just quiet prayer on my own. Messy hair and all. I also try to do Bible reading first thing in the day. And what I have found that works is listening to the Bible on audio. I can listen to it throughout the day, but I especially like to listen to it while I do my first workout of the day. I'm trying to listen to the whole Bible in 1 month. I've been using this version on Scribd.
You shall not bring an abominable thing into your house and become devoted to destruction like it.
And I pop my earbuds in, and then I start my exercise video. So my habit number 4 is exercise every day. So I like to do a combination of HIIT workouts with weights, sprinkled in with rest days with active recovery. So for this day, it was one of my rest days. So I wasn't doing a full-on workout. I was just doing a walking workout where I was able to move and get up and walk basically for 30 minutes in my basement, rocking the grandma sweatpants. After a quick shower, I gotta fuel up with my breakfast. Today I was making scrambled eggs for my hubby and hard-boiled eggs for me. And again, I'm trying to get that water in, trying to finish that first cup of water. Hey friends, if I haven't said it yet, hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome to Joyful Noise Learning. If you are new to my channel, I'm so glad you're here. So I'm in the car first thing this morning. I don't normally do this, I really don't. But where I live, it's been super cold and icy. Like, not even like, there's been snow, but it's been like icy, cold, not even fun to play in snow, maybe a ½ inch on the ground. So we can't even like go sledding. Also, I've not been out of the house very much in the last several days. I have a cold, if you can't tell. A bunch of my people in my family have been sick this week, so we have not been out much. It's been super cold outside. We have not gone outside much. So this morning, I'm gonna go buy myself some deodorant, and then I'm gonna go pick up some a coffee drink for myself. I've just been wanting to go and treat myself the last few days and haven't been able to do it. I don't think of it until like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So today it's 9 o'clock now. Let's go out, let's go get a coffee drink and some deodorant. And then I'm gonna come back and get our homeschool stuff started. Boys, where are you? And I don't see any kids. Wow. Okay, I'm back from getting my coffee drink. And I forgot to share, my husband works from home, so I wasn't leaving the kids completely alone. And I just went into town, which is like 5 minutes away. So, now I can't find the boys. They must be sneaking on me somewhere. Let's find them. Hello? Anybody here? Hello? Did I lose them? There he is. You being a ninja? Oh, don't, you're gonna. I don't think they want me to find them because they know we'll have to start school if I do. Alden, Corbin. There you are. I found you. How long were you hiding there? For a while. Were you starting to get comfortable?
Oh, I'm starting to get uncomfortable.
Oh, I found you. You can come out now. My 11-year-old daughter is a late riser, so she is getting her own breakfast now. And gotta fill up water number 2.
Hey! Corbin, no.
Everybody needs to grab their clipboards and go in the living room. Okay?
I'm gonna do it downstairs.
No, we'll be morning time out here. Is it hot? There you go. Corbin, come get your clipboard. Verse. So if you've seen my channel before, you know that we do morning time most days, and we like to do our memory verse, and they say their poems, and I let each kid take turns saying it. Sometimes we say it together. And then they have their clipboards, which has each of their poems and their memory verse and their hymn in their clipboard. And on this day, it was kind of a late start to our morning time. I really want to start this an hour earlier than we did, but it's okay. It's winter and we're taking a slow morning.
Wait.
Right here?
Yeah.
No. Me.
Nelly, we can go swimming.
Okay.
Okay, it's my gift. Nelly, we can go swimming. Nelly, we can go swimming.
Okay. Izquierda, derecha, delante, detrás, or delante, detrás. That's left, right, forward, behind. Oh. Cerca, y lejos, y algo más. Okay, can you repeat after me? Izquierda,
Izquierda,
derecha,
derecha,
delante,
delante,
detrás.
detrás.
And again. Izquierda,
Izquierda,
derecha,
derecha,
delante, detrás.
detrás.
Very good. Cerca, y lejos, y algo más. Okay. Cerca, y ahora muchachos, se acaba la rima. What? Se acaba la rima. Vuela este quien. Caballo. This one? Is that caballo? Oh, this one is ciervo. And that's caballo. Okay, that's caballo. Done with morning time. Now it's time for exercise. What do you want to do for
tired.
exercise? We're gonna do exercise today.
Sweat Kids
you want to do
TV.
Sweat Kids TV?
That's always what I want to do.
Okay, we're done with morning time now, and I like to have them do exercise now because since the weather's been so cold, they can't get outside and play as often. And having them move and exercise before they sit down for their schoolwork has helped a whole lot. Otherwise, sometimes they have a hard time focusing on it. So if we get up and move and get their blood pumping, then they'll be ready for lessons after this. One of my goals for Habits for my kids is I want them to read the Bible on their own each day. So we've been doing Bible together for about 9 years, where I read scripture to them, we read Bible stories, we talk about it, we watch the Bible Project. but I feel like it's time for them to start developing their own quiet time habit. If you want to know more on how we're doing this Bible quiet time for my kids, comment below. Let me know if you want to see a full video on what we're using and the resources we have and how we do it. All right, time for individual work now. This is where I work with each kid individually. They work on their independent work. We've got math, spelling, language arts, and reading. Okay. Do you know what it is?
Done.
It's a parallelogram. Oh, that one. I work with my 6-year-old first. I have 9 Legos, and we take away 5.
4.
How many are left?
4.
4. Very good, because we know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. Normally I do a few writing lessons and grammar lessons with my 11-year-old, but she was able to do most of her work individually today. And then I work with my 9-year-old. Well, I just got done telling you earlier it's been so cold we can't go outside, but today we wanted to go outside because the actual temperature is a little bit over 30 degrees and the wind chill is a little bit under 30 degrees, and that's probably the warmest it's been in a couple weeks. So we're gonna bundle up and go outside for a little bit. Guys, the last habit I want to talk about is taking a walk each day, or at least getting outside each day. And during the winter, that is so difficult, but I know it's really, really good for my health and my kids' health and our mental health. And we haven't been able to get outside much because it's been below freezing temperatures. But today it was great temperatures, so we were outside and I really enjoyed walking around while the kids played for a little bit. And that is another habit that I really want to develop and get into again, and make sure that we're doing it every day, at least for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is my goal, but an hour would really be what we want to shoot for during the winter. I was recording. We're back in the kitchen. we're making lunch. They're having quesadillas, and I thought we'd make some hot chocolate. And then I have to leave at 2 o'clock for a doctor's appointment that I have. So I'm going to prep dinner right now so it's ready to go, so I don't have to worry about it when I come back from my appointment.
Just touches my eyes. Like, what was that?
Did you get sauce on your
I can't lick it off. I didn't like hot sauce. He's already thinking of that strange plan. The bird pretty much the cat one.
Yeah. All right. Spring freshet. In the middle of the night, Laura sat straight up in bed. She had never heard anything like the roaring at the door. Pa, what's that? She screamed. Sounds like the creek, he said, jumping out of bed. He opened the door, and the roaring came into the black darkness of the dugout. It scared Laura. She heard Pa shouting, "Jiminy crickets! It's raining fish hooks and hammer handles!" Ma said something. Hammer handles. Ma said something that Laura could not hear. Another habit that I've been working on, which maybe comes naturally to some of you, but to me it doesn't, but cleaning up after myself in the kitchen after every meal. And I really struggle with this one. I still do. As you can see, I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to do my best to make sure those dishes are put away, little things, cups, little knives here and there. Like, it's just so easy just to leave them out, but if you leave them out throughout the day, then you get to the end of the day and you have a whole lot more dishes to do. So I've been trying to work on getting those done at least midday as well. All right, I have my doctor's appointment and I have to leave for that now. So I'm gonna go get ready to leave for that, and we'll see where we go from there. All right, well, I'm back from my doctor's appointment. I went and did that. And I just want to thank you so much for joining us on our day today. I'm going to wrap it up here. I got to go inside and get dinner ready and that stuff. Just get dinner ready and stuff. I wanted to say this week has been hard. Getting back to school after break has been really hard. And I have been trying to do fun things with the checklist. Like Monday, I gave them a quarter for everything they checked off on their checklist. Yesterday, they got a gummy bear for everything they checked off on their checklist. And today was they got 2 minutes of screen time for everything they checked off. So I've been trying to make it fun and stuff like that. But it's still been hard. There's been a lot of pushback. There was a lot of tears. I didn't record it all today, but it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy, and I'm tired. And I'll admit I'm tired. You know, we've had a cold. We've been a little sick, and getting back into this routine hasn't been easy. But I really do think if we just keep pushing through with it, they'll get back in the groove of school, and they'll know this is just our normal all over again. So don't forget, this is a collaboration hosted by my friend Kristen over at Our Cathedral Garden. Go check out her winter day in the life, as well as a playlist below with all of our friends who are sharing their homeschool day in the life as well for this winter season. Not to mention, I'm almost done with my water. I've got one more left. I just finished number 4, I think. So I gotta fill it again and finish my water for today. Almost forgot to check in with it. So I hope you guys have a great winter. Yeah, go find his joy among the noise. See ya.